everybody, what is up? Today's video is going to be one that's long overdue, and I've been trying to do it for many weeks, literally since quarantine started. So I am doing a closet slash room clean out. This isn't really everything because most of my stuff is still at college, but I have a lot of stuff that just needs to go, just between clothes, random stuff in my closet that I've had for forever. I'll show you everything that I'm going to go through. It needs to go. My life is so cluttered right now. So that's today's video. I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what we're covering today. So this is my closet. I don't have doors in my closet. You can see I used to. It's a very long story. But anyways, I have my clothes over here. I have this small rack over here that I really like. Most of my clothes are still at school. And yeah, these are all my movies and TV shows and books and stuff. I'm just going to clean that up a little bit, but I like the way it looks. I've like all things up there that I need to go through. This is so, oh my gosh, there's so much over here that just needs to go. That corner is like fine. This is all like posters and stuff that's like sentimental to me that I don't want to get rid of, but like it looks so bad right there. And then we have underneath my bed, which is just so much. So we're just gonna see how much we can get through and whatever. I also want to point out that I already went through a lot of my clothes. So these are a lot of the clothes. I think these I wanted to either sell or donate to like Goodwill or something. And then these are like t-shirts and like random things that Goodwill wouldn't take. So I have to like throw them away or something. I got this thing from ThredUp, and I've never used ThredUp. This isn't sponsored by them at all whatsoever. But I got this huge bag where I can like donate things. So it's already prepaid and everything. It was completely free. All I have to do is fill this bag full of things that I don't want anymore, and they will donate it for me and sell it for me and do whatever. So I thought it was a really great thing to do, and it just makes my life easier because I don't have to do anything with it. I have a container that I'm going to put stuff that like I don't want, and then like a garbage bag for whatever. So I just need to, it's been forever since I've cleaned my room like this in depth, and it just, now's the time. So let's do it. I already mostly went through everything on like the clothing part of my closet, but I'm gonna go through it again and just see, because there's still so much clothes, and this is literally all that I brought home for spring break. There's still all of my clothes. Like this is probably like a solid 10 to 15% of my closet. The rest is still at school, so that's gonna be a whole nother thing I have to do as soon as I move out of my dorm, which honestly, who knows when that's gonna be. Here's the issue with this. I got this. I've worn it 3 times, I think. It's so cute, but like I barely ever wear it. But of course I'm gonna keep it because like, look at it. It's adorable. I keep thinking of like scenarios in which I would wear this, and I was like, oh, I'll wear it to like brunch. I don't go to brunch. The first thing I see is this, and I don't wear this, and I knew I wouldn't wear it. I knew I wouldn't wear it, but I got it because it was Draper James. And Draper James is Reese Witherspoon's clothing line. But this one, my mom got me at a consignment shop in LA because it was, cheap instead of the Reese Witherspoon prices. I knew I wouldn't wear it, and of course, it's adorable if I had a different style. My cousin would definitely wear this. Anyways, I have worn it, I think, 3 times. It's just not really my style, and I knew it wasn't my style, but it was Reese Witherspoon. So I am going to depart with this one because I just know, I won't be wearing it, but I never have worn this Brandy Melville shirt. I got it for a Spirit Day in high school, and I've never worn it, so. And that is everything that I see up here because, like I said, I went through this a few weeks ago, and yeah, so I was just pulling out a few more things that I know I won't wear. The bottom, honestly, it's not even worth going through the bottom because I know that I just went through it. A lot of it is just like old prom and homecoming dresses and stuff like that. So I already went through my shoes as well. So now I think I'm going to work on this section right here, just sprucing up my movies and making them look a lot more cute.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose.
Oh my gosh, this is absolute gold. This was my YouTube journal that I had like when I first made my channel, and I would write down all my video ideas and like goals. Look at all the video ideas I had. YouTube video ideas. How to have a Tumblr summer. Advice for 6th graders. Oh my gosh. Best movies of 2015. Number 1 was Inside Out. Number 2 was the new Star Wars movie. And number 3 was Cinderella. Those are really good movies, Emma. Oh my gosh. Subscriber rewards. I made like goals for all my subscriber counts, which by the way, I didn't hit 1,000 subscribers till actually a year after this, but then I didn't hit 5,000 till like 6 months ago. Then I wrote the best of 2015. So it was movies, songs, events, Zayn leaving, Caitlyn Jenner, and then Justifer, which was Jen and Justin. Albums, 1989, Rock Out With Our Socks Out, 5 Sauce, and then Selena's Revival. This is pure gold. Summer videos 2016, Back to School 2016.
Tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs.
Now here's what I can't decide. I have like, okay, that goes there. I have like my TV shows all right here. These are all TV shows. These are all TV shows. And then these are all Jennifer Aniston movies. And I kept my Jen movies down here because I wanted them all together. But if I'm putting them in alphabetical order, so I don't know what I should do. All right, I'm waiting for my mom's opinion about organizing the movies. So in the meantime, I'm gonna head to this section of the closet, which is gonna definitely give me the most amount of trouble. I can guarantee it. So let's do that. So everything below it mostly is it's all just shoes. So basically this is the shelf I'm gonna do first. Everything below it is pretty much shoes. There's a few things that I need to pull out of there and figure out what I'm gonna do with, but I'm gonna focus on the shelf for right now.
Now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new.
Oh my gosh. I just found gold. First of all, Sabrina Carpenter's debut album, which is just my little baby. Look how beaten up this thing is. This is my like pride and joy, and the CD is still in here. Do we think it's scratched? Oh yeah, it's a little bit scratched up a bit. And then this doesn't have a CD sleeve with it. I found. Oh my gosh.
Do you want?
Okay, I've pulled out absolutely everything from that shelf. I think I'm just gonna keep going up and keep just taking down everything so that I can have everything in front of me and figure out exactly how I want to
Do you
organize
wanna
it.
come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right.
So I'm now gonna organize my movies. I took everything out. I'm gonna organize everything else as soon as I finish the movies. But that's the first thing I'm gonna do because I'm really excited about it. So I'm just gonna make everything alphabetical order. I think it'll look cute, so that's what we're gonna do now.
Grab the fun and live it live. And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade?
This is gonna be a very long time lapse, so I'm just gonna finish it and then give you a tour when it's done. I've gotten everything out from out of my bed. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely absurd. First of all, everything is so incredibly, disgustingly dusty because I truly don't know when the last time I went through any of this stuff was. Like, it's gotta be like 5 years or something. So I'm gonna go and sort through this, figure out what I need to keep, what's gonna go in the attic, and everything like that. It's absolutely disgusting. Right, I just got this box in here, and I'm gonna put everything that needs to go in the attic in the box. So basically everything that I want to save, but like doesn't need to be in my room. Like all my birthday cards I want to save because I love looking through those, but I literally don't need them in my room at all. So anything sentimental like that just doesn't need to be in here. I found gold in my room. Okay, look at what I found. First of all, yeah, a ton of old dance awards. I don't even remember winning these. Like, I don't remember being this talented enough to win these. Mom's taking pictures of me. All of my old Friends posters that I used to have hanging in my room. The shadow box that Jordana made for me. Old Playlist Live stuff. My old Access Broadway gold medal. it's so dusty. The Taylor Swift bag from the 1989 tour. Wait, yeah. So cool. All my Harry Potter wands. I have like a million of them in here. My old Jennifer Aniston perfume boxes. So many Jennifer Aniston perfume boxes. A ton of Playlist Live stuff. So cute. That was such a good movie. Oh my gosh, like honestly, the world did not deserve this cast. Okay. So now that I'm situated, this is what we have to do. And I'm just gonna basically find anything that I don't need and put it in the attic, and then obviously throw away things that like, so for example, these are my old business cards that have like the wrong handles on them.
Gotta do something. Let us on tonight. Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be.
This is the progress I'm making so far. That box is going to the attic. That box is going to the attic. These are the only nail polishes I'm keeping. I have to go through the perfume stuff. I found my One Direction perfume, which is honestly just beautiful. That's all like random stuff that is also for the attic. And then I have to do this section still. I'm losing daylight. I'm gonna try and film with that light, but that light's terrible. I'm just going through everything very, very carefully. It still looks very messy right now. Just because I haven't put anything back on the shelves yet. Oh, I organized my movies. I put everything in alphabetical order, so it goes from the number movies to like A through Z. Well, I guess the last one is Y, and then it starts with TV shows. So these are all my TV shows. I'm kind of don't really have too many TV shows on DVD. Got to get more of those. I have to finish getting all of it. Like, I want to have every show that I've watched on DVD, all the seasons, but that's expensive. But I love collecting movies, so. And then I have my two cutie little people up there, so. Yeah. Now I'm gonna tackle this Pride and Joy. Definitely haven't gone through this since I got it, which was I think in 6th grade. It's the Alex 9 drawers that everybody and their mother has. So I'm gonna go through this. I'm honestly kind of scared to see what I find because, oh my gosh. Okay, I already went through one garbage bag. I have a whole garbage bag just for this because it's not gonna be pretty.
Oh, we're cold. You can take us out. Your doubts won't hold us down. 'Cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it live. And tomorrow's far away.
You're making quite progress. It is, I don't know where my phone is, I can tell you. Okay, it is 7:52. We've been working on this since I think 3. So yeah, everything is still messy, obviously, but I've definitely made a lot of progress. Hi guys, it's day 2 now and it's a mess still, but hopefully I'll be able to tackle a lot more today than I did yesterday, although I did get a pretty good amount done yesterday. So I'm gonna bring in another box to put stuff in the attic because there's a lot of stuff that I need to put in there because I just have a lot of stuff that I want to keep because it's sentimental. But so I'm gonna do that now and just honestly just keep time lapsing like I've been doing. It's the easiest thing and I love time lapses, so I hope you guys do.
And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us know tonight.
Okay, we're making progress. This is the last thing. That's the trash bag I have. I have Clorox wipe to clean everything down. Band-aids need to go back where they belong. Vacuum cleaner, just like random little things that I'm going to clean up right now and be done with this. I've officially finished everything. This is the updated closet. It doesn't look much different, but everything pretty much back where it was before, but everything is now like absolutely organized and I got rid of anything that I don't need or wear anymore. So that is the room. All I have to do is just, that's my bag of clothes, to put to thread up right here. And then I have all that's trash. That is off of the attic and that is Goodwill. So that is the room. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little spring cleaning vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below whatever you want. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.